With a few simple steps, you can easily replace your Cogeco standard definition digital receiver. First, you'll need to disconnect your existing digital receiver. Begin by unplugging the coaxial cable from the back of the receiver. Next, unplug the power supply from the electrical outlet and the back of the receiver. Lastly, unplug the cables connecting the receiver to the television. First, take one of the provided coaxial cables and attach one end to the wall outlet. Attach the other end to the port labeled RF in on the back of your digital receiver. Next, connect the power supply to the back of the digital receiver to the port labeled 12V DC and connect the other end into an active electrical outlet. There are two methods you can use to connect your digital receiver to your television set. The first method is by using a coaxial cable connection. Using the second coaxial cable provided, connect one end of the cable to the back of the digital receiver to the port labeled 2TV VCR. Connect the other end to the cable input on your television. On many television sets, this port will be labeled as Cable In or Antenna In. To select your television's input, first ensure the television is powered on. Press the Input, Source, or TV Video button on your television's remote control and select the video input that connects your television to your digital receiver. On most televisions, this would be labeled as Cable or CATV. Once you have set the television input, ensure the TV channel is set to 3 using your television's provided remote control. The TV must remain on channel 3 to display the picture from your digital receiver. Once you have set the input and channel, you may receive a message indicating that your TV has no signal, but not to worry, as this is normal during the setup process. Alternatively, you can connect your digital receiver using the provided RCA cables. Connect the RCA cables in the back of the digital receiver by matching the colored cables into the corresponding red, white, and yellow ports. On the back of your television set, locate the RCA input ports and connect the other end of the RCA cables to the corresponding colored ports. Make sure to record the name of the RCA input on your television connected to the digital receiver. Next, press the Input or Source button on your television's remote and select the video input that connects your television to your digital receiver. Now that you're connected, your receiver needs to register with the Cogeco systems. The receiver will automatically start the initialization process and will shut down automatically. Leave the receiver undisturbed for 30 minutes while the activation process completes. Once you have set the television input to cable, ensure your television is powered on. Next, turn your receiver on by pressing the cable button, followed by the power button on your Cogeco remote control. Then choose Channel 3. If you are able to tune into Channel 3, then the receiver has successfully activated. The programming guide, menus, and access to Cogeco on-demand services will be available within 1 hour of activation. In the event that you encounter difficulties with the automatic activation process, we have a simple solution to resolve your issue. From the Cogeco.ca website, sign into My Account. If you're not registered for My Account, click here for instructions on how to. Once signed in, select the Services and Equipment tab and then select My Equipment. Locate the serial number of the digital receiver you wish to activate and press the Activate Reactivate button. You may see your receiver automatically shut down during this process. Leave the receiver undisturbed for 30 minutes for the activation process to complete. Should you require any assistance from Cogeco's technical support team, please click here to contact us. If you need help setting up your Cogeco remote and learning about its functions, click here. Another feature available to you through My Account is the ability to modify your channel selection. Visit cogeco.ca/myaccount for more details. As a final step, use a cardboard box to pack up your old digital receiver, remote control, power supply, and any other accessories you received with your original order. Ensure the box is taped and sealed. Securely attach the shipping label included in the package provided for your new receiver, complete with your name and full postal address in the From section. Keep the Canada Post tracking number somewhere safe for your reference. Drop the package off at your nearest Canada Post location. To find a location, click here. Remember to return the package within 5 business days to avoid any charges. And that's it. Simple solutions. Just one of the many reasons most people choose Cogeco.